Hi Chime community. My name is Randy Carroll and I'm the Strategic Partner Manager here at Chime. At Chime, we want to bring you value not only through our technology, but by the partnerships we form with other vendors. Today, I am really excited to announce we have formed a partnership with Verse.io. Verse turns your new leads into sales-ready opportunities through immediate AI-driven and human-powered conversations. With the integration into Chime, our clients will be able to see Verse's entire conversation with their leads inside the Chime CRM, removing another tech tool you have to personally monitor and improving your efficiency. Chime is the industry's premier sales acceleration platform. As such, Chime equips agents with the technology they need to increase their lead conversion.
We use Chime as a CRM for the entire brokerage, and I chose to use Chime because it's the best way for me to help my agents to scale their business. It's by far the best tech that I can find in terms of a CRM in the marketplace today.
Chime has the most powerful IDX in the industry, giving your clients the ultimate flexibility in their home search and providing you with priceless insights to your clients' activity.
That if you're a real estate agent and you do not have some all-in-one CRM managing that relationship over the long term, I promise you it's going to be a game changer in the way that you do business. I used to have 12 people on my team and now I'm only down to 8. Why? Because Chime makes it so much easier.
Chime has released the industry's first ever AI chatbot built on Google's machine learning algorithm. With the AI assistant, Chime clients are seeing their lead capture